ሃይ ሰላም ውድ ተማሪዎች እንዴት ናችሁ? ደህና ናችሁ ብዬ ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። ዛሬ በዚህ ቪዲዮ የምንመለከተው የሪሜዲያል ባዮሎጂ ከዩኒት 10 የተውጣጡ ጥያቄዎችን አብረን እንሰራለን። ከሰባ የሚጠጉ መልቲፕል ቾይስ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። ቤዝድ ኦን ዩኒት 10 ከምዕራፋችሁ ከምዕራፍ 10 ኢኮሎጂ ኤንድ ኮንሰርቬሽን ኦፍ ናቹራል ሪሶርስ ከሚለው ምዕራፍ this is the full part ሙሉ ፓርት ነው። ሁሉንም ፓርቶች ሁሉንም ሴክሽኖች ሞጁሎች ላይ የተጠቀሱትን ከነሱ ጥያቄዎች ለማውጣት በደንብ አድርገን ለማውጣት ሞክረናል። ኮምፕሬሄንሲቭ የሆነ ነው። በደንብ ለኤግዛማችሁ ያግዛችኋል ብለን ያሰብናቸውን ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። ከተለያዩ ሶርሶች ያሰባሰብናቸው በዛ መልኩ እናያለን። በተጨማሪም ተማሪዎች ቪዲዮዎች እንደነገርኳችሁ ከዚህ በፊትም በጣም እየረዘሙ ነው። ያ አፕሎዲንግም እንደዚሁ ቶሎ ቪዲዮዎች ለእናንተ በጊዜ እንዳይደርሱ እያደረጉ ስለሆነ ሁሉንም ዩኒቶች ከቨር ለማድረግ ትንሽ እንትን ስለሚል ምንድነው ያሰብኩት እናንተም አንዳንድ ልጆች ኮሜንት ላይ እንዳላችሁት እንትኑ አጠር ቢላችኋል ማለት ኤክስፕላኔሽኑ ነው። አይ ቲንክ እኔም የተረዳሁት ቪዲዮቹ እየረዘሙ ያሉት በዛ ምክንያት ስለሆነ ጥያቄዎችን አይ ቲንክ በዚህ ሰዓት ሁላችሁም የሆነ ያህል ንባብ ይኖራችኋል። በዛ መልኩ ለኤግዛም እንድትዘጋጁ ማብራሪያ አልሰጣችሁም፣ ጀስት መልሱን እነግራችኋለሁ። ግን ጥያቄው የግድ እንዲደርሳችሁ በሚል ነው ጥያቄውን ለማድረስ ሁሉንም ከቨር ለማድረግ ስለሚያስቸግር፣ ግን በተቻለ መጠን እንደዚህ እያደረግን አትሊስት ሁሉንም ምዕራፎች 10ሩንም ምዕራፎች የቀሩ ጥቂት ወደ 3 ምዕራፍ ምናምን ይቀረናል። 3-4 ምዕራፍ እነሱንም በዚህ መልኩ ለመጨረስ እንሞክራለን። የተወሰኑ ደግሞ በኮሜንት የእናንተ ኢንጌጅመንትን ለማየት የተወሰኑ ጥያቄዎችን ለእናንተ ተዋሉ። በኮሜንት የምትሳተፉበትን የተወሰኑ ጥያቄዎች ይኖራሉ። በዛ መልኩ ነው። ግን ማብራሪያ ያስፈልጋል ብዬ የማስባቸው ቦታዎች ላይ ማብራሪያ በተለይም ኬሚስትሪ ላይ ያዘጋጀሁላችሁ ጥያቄዎች በተለይ ከሶሉሽን ጋር ምናምን የካልኩሌሽን ፓርት ምናምን አለ። እሱ ጋር ግን ማብራሪያ ስለሚያስፈልግ እሱ ላይ ማብራሪያ ምናምን ይኖራቸዋል። እንዲህ ማብራሪያ ያስፈልጋል ብዬ በማምንበት ቦታ ላይ ማብራሪያዎችን ልሰጣችሁ ሞክራለሁ። ጥቂት ቀን ይፈራችሁ የእችኛዋን ቀናት በአግባቡ ለመጠቀም ራሳችሁን በማዘጋጀት ስፒሪቹዋሊም በመንፈስም በአእምሮም በስነልቦናም ሳይኮሎጂካሊም ራሳችሁን ሳታጨናንቁ ለፈተና በፍሪደም እንድትዘጋጁ አንዳንድ ነገሮችን ደግሞ ጠቃሚ ምክሮችን ሰብሰብ አድርጌ ከኤግዛም ቀን በፊት ለእናንተ ሼር ለማድረግ በየሳብጀክቱ በባዮሎጂም በፊዚክስም በኬሚስትሪም ይጠቅማቸዋል ብዬ የማስባቸውን ፖይንቶች ለኤግዛም ይጠቅማቸዋል ብዬ የማስባቸውን ጀነራል የሆኑ ሀሳቦችን ሼር አደርግላችኋለሁ። በዛ መልክ ቪዲዮ አዘጋጅላችኋለሁ ፕሮሚስ ብዬ አስቤያለሁ። በዛ መልኩ እንላለን። ጥያቄ አስተያየታችሁን ኮሜንት ላይ እንደዚሁም ቴሌግራማችን ሪሜዲያል ፎከስ ላይ ዛሬ አፕዴቶችን ተከታተሉ፣ ጆይን አድርጉ፣ ለጓደኞቻችሁን ሼር አድርጉ። ጥያቄ አስተያየታችሁን ኮሜንታችሁን እያነበብኩ ነው። ኦልሞስት ሁሉንም ኮሜንት እስካሁን ያሉትን እያነበብኩ ነው። ኮሜንታችሁን በጣም ደስ ይላል። ቴንክ ዩ። ኦኬ እሺ እንጀምር። the first question is what term encompasses the full variety of life on earth including genetic variation, then species, diversity of species themselves, and the diversity of ecosystem? A. Ecosystem stability. B. Genetic uniformity. C. Species richness. D. Biodiversity. The answer should be biodiversity. የሚለው ትክክለኛ መልስ ይሆናል ለጥያቄዎች። Number 2, which biome is globally recognized for its consistently high temperature, abundant rainfall throughout the year, and an extraordinary level of species richness and a complex large vegetation? A. Desert. B. Tundra. C. Tropical rainforest. D. Grassland. የትኛው ነው መልሳችን? answer should be tropical rainforest የሚለው የጥያቄያችን ትክክለኛ መልስ ይሆናል። number 3 the destruction or fragmentation of natural habitat often due to human activity like agriculture or urbanization is considered a primary threat to the biodiversity. What is the threat most accurately called? A. Habitat loss, B. Pollution, C. Climate change, D. Invasive species. The answer should be habitat loss. Number 4 plants inhabiting desert biomes exhibit specialized adaptations such as succulent stems for water storage, deep root system, or thick waxy cuticles. What is the main ecological purpose of this adaptation? A. To attract a wide variety of pollinators. B. To effectively conserve water in extremely arid conditions. C. To make them palatable to grazing herbivores. C. D. To facilitate rapid growth. The answer should be the desert plant adaptation is important, critical for minimizing water to effectively conserve water in extremely and condensation. Extremely and conditions. Number 5. What is a species whose influence on the structure and the function of an ecosystem is disproportionately large relative to its abundance, meaning its removal would cause significant ecosystem collapse? What is the species? A. Keystone species, B. Indicator species, C. Invasive species, D. Pioneer species. The answer should be keystone species or top predators, or sometimes they call an ecosystem engineer. A. Keystone species. High biodiversity within an ecosystem is generally considered crucial for its long-term health and resilience. What is a key reason for the importance of high biodiversity? A. It simplifies ecological interactions, making the ecosystem easier to manage. B. It eliminates competition among different species. C. It provides greater ecosystem stability, adaptability to environmental changes, and essential ecosystem services. D. It ensures that all species have identical ecological needs. High biodiversity within an ecosystem generally considered for crucial long health and health. What is the key reason for importance of biodiversity? The answer should be to provide greater ecosystem stability, adaptability to environmental changes, and the essential ecosystem services is the correct answer. Number 7. The illegal hunting, trapping, or collection of wild animals, often driven by demand for valuable animal parts. Example: rhino horn, pangolin scales, tiger bones is a direct and severe threat to endangered species. What is this practice termed? A. Habitat fragmentation. B. Overexploitation. C. Deforestation. D. Poaching. The illegal hunting, generally the illegal hunting or capturing of wild animals, which leads to the distinction or the distinction method. Answer should be poaching. እንስሳት እንዲጠፉ የሚያደርጉ በአጠቃላይ illegal killing or capturing poaching ብለን የምንጠራው. Which biome is characterized by extremely low temperature, a permanently frozen subsoil layer known as permafrost, very short growing seasons, and vegetation dominated by mosses, lichens, and dwarf shrubs. A. Temperate forest. B. Tundra. C. Taiga or boreal forest. D. Savanna. ስምንተኛ ጥያቄ ኮሜንት ላይ መልሳችሁን ታስቀምጡልኛላችሁ። ይሄ ለእናንተ የተተወ ጥያቄ ኮሜንት ላይ መልሳችሁን ጠብቃለሁ። Number 9. What type of conservation strategy involves protecting and breeding endangered species outside their natural habitats in facilities such as zoos, botanical gardens, and seed or gene banks? A. In situ conservation. B. Ex situ conservation. C. Restoration ecology. D. Sustainable development. Strategy involves protecting, breeding endangered species outside their natural habitat, what we call ex situ conservation. It provides especially species at risk የሚጠብቅልን strategy, conservation strategy, best to define ex situ conservation. The widespread release of various harmful substances, including industrial chemicals, agricultural pesticides, and the plastics into natural environment is a significant threat to biodiversity. What is the overarching impact of this on ecosystem? A. It generally enhances nutrient cycling within ecosystem. B. It consistently leads to an increase in species diversity. C. It often reduces competition among native species. D. It directly harms organisms, disrupts ecological process, and degrades habitat. The widespread use of various harmful substances, including industrial chemicals, agricultural pesticides, and plastics into natural environment is a significant threat to biodiversity. What is the overarching impact of on the ecosystem? The answer should be it directly harms organisms, disrupt ecological process, and degrade in habitats. This is the best answer. So 11. Which biome is characterized by expansive grasslands with scattered trees, climate with distinct weight in the dry season, and support large population of grazing mammals. A. Grassland, savanna. B. Desert. C. Temperate forest. D. Taiga. Scattered trees. Then ይገልጽልናል። Answer should be savanna. Grassland. Savanna is a tropical grass with ምንጊዜም savanna scattered trees. Savanna ይገልጽልናል። Especially seasonal rainfall, diverse large rivers run scattered more than best. 12. How does global climate change primarily pose a threat to biodiversity across various How does global climate change primarily pose a threat to biodiversity across various ecosystems? A. By increasing the overall stability of global weather patterns. B. By leading to a uniform increase in temperature worldwide, benefiting all species. C. By causing shifts in biomes, altering habitats, and pushing species toward extinction due to rapid environmental changes they cannot adapt to. D. By promoting the growth of new beneficial species globally. The answer should be 3. The answer should be C. By causing shifts in biome, altering habitats, and pushing species toward extinction due to rapid environmental changes they cannot adapt to. 13. The introduction of non-native species into an ecosystem is a major driver of biodiversity loss. What is the primary mechanism by which these invasive species cause harm to native biodiversity? The introduction of non-native species into an ecosystem is, which are the invasive species. The non-native species are the invasive species in an ecosystem. What is the primary mechanism by which these invasive species cause harm to native biodiversity? No, ጥያቄያችን A. They form mutual beneficial relationship with native species, strengthening the ecosystem. B. They outcompete native species for resource, prey on them, or introduce diseases, disrupting the native ecological balance. C. They otherwise increase the overall genetic diversity of the ecosystem, which is beneficial. D. They improve the soil quality, which benefits native plant growth. The invasive species or non-native species, they outcompete native species for resource, prey on them, or introduce diseases, disrupting the native ecological balance is the best choice. Answer B. ኢንቨሲቭ ስፒሾች ኢኮሲስተምን ይረብሻሉ፣ ሪሶርሶችን ዶሚኔት ያደርጋሉ፣ እነዛን ያድናሉ፣ በጣም ፓቶጂኖችንም እንደዚህ እንዳለው ዲዚዞችን ፓቶጂኖችን በማምጣት የተለያዩ እንትኖችን ስፒሾች እዛ ጋር ኔቲቭ የነበሩ ስፒሾች እንዲዳከሙ ወይም ኤክስቲንክት እንዲጠፉ ይችላሉ ማለት ነው። መልሳችን ቢ ትክክለኛ መልስ ይሆናል። 14 What level of biodiversity refers to the variation in genus within a single species, which is crucial for species' ability to adapt to environmental change and disease. A. Ecosystem diversity. B. Species diversity. C. Genetic diversity. D. Landscape diversity. The variation in genus within a single species, crucial for ability to adapt. The answer should be genetic diversity. የሚለው ትክክለኛ መልስ ይሆናል። 15. What principle of conservation emphasizes managing natural resources in a way that allows them to be used to meet the needs of the present generation without diminishing the ability of future generations to meet their own needs? ይህንን ሀሳብ የሚገልጽልን A. preservation, B. restoration, C. reclamation, D. sustainable use. ምንጊዜም የሰስተነብል አንሰር ሹድ ቢ ዲ ነው። የሰስተነብል ዲፊኒሽን በደንብ አቢሊቲ በአጠቃላይ ሰስተነብል ዩዝ ወይ ዘላቂ ልማት ሲባል የሰውን እድገት ወይም ኢንቫይሮንመንታል ፕሮቴክሽንም ሊሆን ይችላል። አሁን ያለውን ትውልድ ከቀጣዩ ፊውቸር ጀነሬሽን ጋር ሁለቱንም በሚጠቅም መልኩ ሲሆን፣ ለምሳሌ አንድ ነገር ይህን ትውልድ ደግሞ ቀጣይ ላይ የሚጎዳ ከሆነ የቀጣዩ ጀነሬሽን የሚጎዳ ከሆነ፣ ለምሳሌ ሪሶርስ ኤክስፕሎይቴሽን ከፍተኛ አንድ ሀገር ሪሶርስ ንፋት ይሄኛው ጀነሬሽን ብቻ ሪሶርስን በከፍተኛ ሁኔታ ተጠቅሞ በዛኛው ምንም አይነት ነገር እንትን የማይል ከሆነ ያ ሰስተነብል ዲቨሎፕመንት እንለው አንችልም። ሰስተነብል ዲቨሎፕመንት ምንጊዜም እነዚህም ባላንስ ሚዛን ማስጠበቅ ይኖርበታል። በሪሶርስም ኢንቫይሮንመንትንም በመጠበቅ እንደዚሁም ኢኮሲስተም በአጠቃላይ ስነ ምህዳርን በመጠበቅ ጊዜ አሁንም ያለውንም ትውልድ ለፊውቸር ጀነሬሽንም ኒዳቸውን የሚጠብቅ መልኩ ማስጠበቅ ስንችል what we call this principle of conservation sustainable use እንለዋለን። የዘላቂ ልማት ተብሎ ይታወቃል። 16. What comprehensive term refers to the variability among living organisms from all sources encompassing the diversity within species, between species, and of ecosystem? A. Species richness, B. Genetic uniformity, C. Ecosystem resilience, D. Biodiversity. Comprehensive term or the collective term of the variability or variety of life on the earth, what we call denominal biodiversity. That should be D. The destruction or significant alteration of natural environment often due to human activity like agriculture or urban expansion is leading to cause of species extinction. What is the major threat known as? A. Pollution, B. Overexploitation, C. Habitat loss, D. Climate change. What we call C. Habitat loss. Which of the following is an example of crucial economic ecosystem service that biodiversity provides directly benefiting human society? A. Increased industrial manufacturing capacity. B. Promotion of monoculture farming practice. C. Regulating of climate and water cycles and the pollution of food crops. D. Acceleration of soil erosion and desertification. Improve crucial ecosystem service that provides directly benefiting human society. crucial economic regulating of climate and the water cycle and the pollution of food crops የሚለው 19 establishing and managing national parks, wildlife refuges or marine protected areas are example of what type of conservation strategy focusing on protecting species within their natural surrounding. A. Ex situ conservation. B. In situ conservation. C. Restoration ecology. D. Bioremediation. Establishing national park, wildlife refuge or marine protected area are example of what type of conservation style focusing on protecting species within their natural surrounding or their native habitat. The answer should be B. In situ, within their natural in situ conservation protected species in their natural surrounding or in their native species, what we call in situ conservation. Number 20. What terms specifically describe the variation of genus among individuals within a single species, which is essential for species long-term adaptability and survival against changing environmental conditions or diseases? A. Genetic diversity. B. Species diversity. C. Ecosystem diversity. D. Cultural diversity. Describe the variation of genus in among individual single species. Genetic diversity. 21. Which term describes the practice of harvesting renewable natural resource, example wild fish stocks, timber, at the rate of the exceeds its natural capacity to regenerate, leading to its depletion and ecosystem imbalance? The term describes this practice. A. Pollution. B. Habitat fragmentation. C. Overexploitation. D. Invasive species. At harvesting renewable natural resources at rate of exceeding its natural capacity to regenerate. ይህ ምንን ይገልጽልናል? ኦቨር ኤክስፕሎቴሽን በአጠቃላይ አንሰስተነብል የሆነ ሃርቨስቲንግ ወይም ዘላቂነት የቅድም ሰስተነብል ያልነውን ተቃራኒ ማለት ነው። ኦቨር ኤክስፕሎይት ማድረግ ሪጀነሬት ከሚያደርገው ናቹራሊ በተፈጥሮ መልኩ ራሱን ከሚተካው መልኩ በፍጥነት እኛ የምንጠቀምበት መንገድ የሚበልጥ ከሆነ ያ በጊዜ ሂደት ያን ባዮዳይቨርሲቲውን ሊያጠፉ ወይም የዛን እንትኑን ስፒሺውን ኤክስቲንክት እንዲጠፋ ሊያደርግ ይችላል። ኢቭን ሪኒዋብል የሆኑ ሪሶርሶች ራሱ ኦቨር ኤክስፕሎይት ሊደረጉ ይችላሉ። ይሄኛ አጠቃቀም በተፈጥሯዊ ናቹራሊ ከሚተካበት መንገድ በከፍተኛ ሁኔታ የሚበልጥ ከሆነ በአጠቃላይ ይሄን ፕራክቲስ የሚገልጽልን ኦቨር ኤክስፕሎይቴሽን የሚለው ትክክለኛ መልስ ይሆናል። 22 Why does an ecosystem with high biodiversity generally exhibit greater resilience and stability when faced with environmental disturbance like disease outbreaks or extreme weather events? A. It has fewer ecological niches, simplifying interaction. B. It relies heavily on single dominant species. C. It possesses more linear and predictable energy flow pathways. D. It has a wider array of species, increasing the likelihood that some will adapt, survive, and maintain ecosystem function. መልሳችን wide as an ecosystem with high value, generate greater resilience and stability when faced with environmental disruptions like disease, outbreak, or extreme weather events. Because it has a wider species based on it has a wider species of ከፍተኛ የሆነ ስፔሾች ምናምን ስለሚገኙበት ያ ኢኮሲስተም ለዲስተርባንስ ሊጋለጥ ይችላል ማለታችን። 23 the widespread release of pollutants such as industrial chemicals, plastics, plastic waste, and agricultural pesticides into natural environment, example, our ocean, is significantly threat to biodiversity. What is the primary impact of this pollution? A, it's consistently enhances the aesthetic value of landscapes. B, it directly harms organisms, disrupts food webs, accumulates biological system, and degrades habitats. C, it universally promotes the growth of all species. D, it typically improves the soil fertility for diverse plant life. The widespread of it directly harms. B, directly harms organisms, disrupt food webs, accumulates biological system, and degrade habitat. 24. What conservation approach involves collecting and storing genetic materials such as needles or frozen tissue from endangered plant or animal species in specialized off-site facilities? A, in situ conservation. B, ex situ conservation. D, sustainable resource management. D, ecological restoration. Off-site in your plant or species in special off-site facilities. Answer should be የትኛው ነው መልሳችን የሚሆነው? ኤግዚቱ ኮንሰርቬሽን ሴፍጋርድ የሚያደርገው ወይም ፕሮቴክት የሚያደርገው ኢንዳንጀርድ ፕላንት ፍሮም በተለይም ፕሬዘርቭ ኦር ሴፍጋርድ የሚያደርገው አውትሳይድ ናቹራል ከእንትናቸው ውጭ አውትሳይድ ናቹራል ሃቢታት። So the answer should be B ይሆን ውጪ ከሀቢታታቸው ወይም ከሰራውንዲንግ ኤንቫይሮንመንታቸው ውጪ። 25 many indispensable medicines such as aspirin and various antibiotics were originally derived from compounds found in plants, fungi, or microbes in natural ecosystems. The highlights which crucial importance of biodiversity. A is aesthetic and recreational value for humans. B, its role in supporting global economic trade. C is spiritual or cultural significance to indigenous communities. D is potential for new resources, including pharmaceutical and scientific discoveries. ይህን ሀሳብ ቤስት የሚገልጽልን ማለት ነው። ለተለያዩ አገልግሎቶች የምንጠቀማቸውን ዘርዝሯል። ይሄ ሀሳብ በአጠቃላይ ምንን ሃይላይት ያደርጋል? የባዮዳይቨርሲቲን አስፈላጊነት ይሄኛውንም 25ኛ ጥያቄ በደንብ ነው ያብራራው። ኮሜንት ላይ ጽፋላችሁ። ከዚህ በፊት 8ኛ ጥያቄ ብያችኋለሁ። 25ኛው ጥያቄ እናንተ ኮሜንት ላይ ተሳተፉ ነው። ቀላል ጥያቄ ነው፣ ትመልሳላችሁ ማለት ነው። 26 How does global climate change primarily contribute to the ongoing loss of biodiversity worldwide? How global climate change primarily contributes to the ongoing loss of biodiversity worldwide? A. By altering temperature and the precipitation patterns, leading to habitat shifts, forces species migration, and increased extinction risks for vulnerable populations. B. By directly increasing the amount of habitable land available for wildlife. C. By generally accelerating the evolutionary adaptation of all species to new conditions. D. By uniformly improving air quality across all biomes. Answer should be global A. By altering global climate change by altering temperature and precipitation patterns, leading to habitat shift, forced species migration, increased extinction risk for vulnerable population የሚለው የግሎባል ቼንጅ ኢምፓክቱ ተጽዕኖውን በተለይ በብዝሃ ሕይወት በባዮዳይቨርሲቲ እንዲሁም ይገልጽልናል። 27 What specific type of biodiversity refers to the variety of habitats, biological communities, and ecological process that exist within the Earth's biosphere? In genetic diversity, B. Species diversity, C. Ecosystem diversity, D. Functional diversity. Variety of habitats የሚለው ምን ይገልጽልና ኢኮሲስተም ዳይቨርሲቲ ነው። በባዮሎጂካል ወይም በባዮስፌር ውስጥ ያሉትን ቫራይቲ ኦፍ ሃቢታት የሚገልጽልን ኢኮሲስተም answer should be C ይሆናል። The introduction of non-native species into ecosystem, often accidentally or intentionally by humans, can have devastating impact on native biodiversity. What is the primary ecological mechanism by which the invasive species called harm? A. They typically form beneficial mutualistic relationships with native species. B. They outcompete native species for essential resources, directly prey on native organisms, or introduce novel diseases to which native have no resistance. C. They increase the overall productivity and the stability of invaded ecosystem. D. They improve the chemical composition of soil, benefiting native plants. መልሳችን የትኛው ነው የሚሆነው? በደንብ ያብራራልን። What is the primary ecological by which these invasive species called harm? The outcompete native species. B. አብራርቱልን። መልሳችን B ነው የሚሆነው። 29 Among the various conservation strategies, which one is generally considered the most effective and the preferred approach for preserving biodiversity, as it protects species within their natural environment, allowing for continued evolution and adaptation? A. Those in the botanical gardens. B. Seed banks and gene banks. C. Establishment and management of national parks and protected areas. D. Captive breeding programs. The most effective and preferred approach for ከነዚህ በጣም should be national establishment of management national park and protected areas በተለይ ኢንሲቱ ኮንሰርቬሽን የምንላቸው እነዚህ ለነዚህ በጣም አመች ይሆናሉ። በተለይ ፓርኮች ምናምን የምናደርጋቸው ስፔሾችን ለመጠበቅ በናቹራል በራሳቸው ኤግዚቱ ዊዝአውት ማለት ከነሱ ውጭ ነው። ኢንሲቱ ሲሆን ደግሞ እዛ ሆኖ በናቹራል ኢኮሎጂካል ኮንዲሽን እንትናቸው እንዲጠበቁ ማስቻል በጣም የተሻለው እና የተመረጠው በኤስታብሊሽመንት ኦፍ ማኔጅመንት ኦፍ ናሽናል ፓርክ ኤንድ ፕሮቴክትድ ኤሪያ በኢንሲቱ ኮንሰርቬሽን ሞር ሲሆን እዚህ ጋር ኢንሲቱ ነው በጣም ግን ኢንሲቱ ሲሆን ኤስታብሊሽመንት ኤንድ ማኔጅመንት ኦፍ ናሽናል ፓርክ በዛ ነው ትንሽ ላብራራላችሁ። ሞር ደግሞ በኢንሲቱ ሲሆን የተሻለ ይሆን። ስለዚህ the concept of sustainable development emphasize managing natural resources to meet current human needs without jeopardizing the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. The principle specifically seeks to balance with two critical aspects: a unlimited economic growth and unrestrained technological advancement, b rapid population expansion and exhaustive resource depletion, c individual consumer demand and strict governmental control over resources, d environmental protection and human socio-economic development. የትኛው ነው መልሳችን የሚሆነው? እነዚህ ሁለት ስፔሲፊካሊ ሲክስቱ ባላንስ ይሄ ሐሳብ ሰስተይነብል ዲቨሎፕመንት ያነሳው ሐሳብ ሁለት ዋና ሚዛን ለማስጠበቅ ያሰበው ሁለት ክሪቲካል አስፔክት ኢንቫይሮንመንታል ፕሮቴክሽን እና ሁማን ሶሺዮ ኢኮኖሚክ ዲቨሎፕመንትን ከሰስተይነብል ዲቨሎፕመንት ጋር ናቹራል ሪሶርሶችን to meet current needs without jeoparding or without ሳንጎዳ ማለት ነው። የፊውቸር ጀነሬሽንን የመጠቀም አቅም ሳንጎዳ ስንጠቀም ሰስተን ይሄ በዚህ ጊዜ እንግዲህ ሰስተይነብል ዲቨሎፕመንት ኢንፋሳይዝ የሚያደርገው የአሁኑን ትውልድ ከፊቱ ጋር ኒዳቸውን ሚት ሁለቱም በማይጎዱበት በሚጠቀሙበት በአጠቃላይ ግን ሁለት ዋና ሀሳቦች ኢንቫይሮንመንታል ፕሮቴክሽን የሚመጣ ሁማን ሶሺዮ ኢኮኖሚክ ዲቨሎፕመንት ሶሺዮ ማህበራዊ ኢኮኖሚው ማህበረሰቡ የመደግ እነዚህ በጣም ቱ ክሩሻል አስፔክቶች ናቸው። አንሳር መስት ቢ ዲዱ ይሁን 31 What term is used to describe a species that is naturally found and restricted to a particular geographic location or region, making it uniquely vulnerable to localized threats? A. Invasive species. B. Cosmopolitan species. C. Indicator species. D. Endemic species. Term used to describe species that are naturally found in restricted or restricted to a particular geographic location or region. ይህ ምንን ይገልጽልናል? ጥያቄ ብዙ ኤግዛም ላይ ተደጋጋሚነት ያላት ኮንቴክስት ነች። እቺንም ጥያቄ ኮሜንት ላይ ካላችሁ በደንብ ነው ያብራራው ጥያቄ ላይ ኮሜንት ላይ ተሳትፋላችሁ። 8ኛ 25ኛ እና አሁን 30ኛ እናንተ ጥያቄ ናቸው። ኮሜንት ላይ ተሳትፉባቸው መልሳቸውን እኔ ሪፕላይ አደርግላችኋለሁ ወር ቴሌግራም ላይ ታገኛላችሁ። 32 Which of the following is most abundant greenhouse gas released by the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation, playing the largest role in current global warming? A. Methane. B. Nitrous oxide. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Water vapor. The answer should be greenhouse carbon dioxide. Below, the primary greenhouse gas affect የሚያደርገው most abundant greenhouse gas የሆነው በተለይም በburning of fossil fuels and deforestation ምክንያት carbon dioxide. Source 3. Acid rain is primarily formed in the atmosphere when water vapor reacts with two main gaseous pollutants, typically originating from industrial emission and vehicle exhaust. A. Carbon dioxide and methane. B. Oxygen and ozone. C. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide. D. Particulate matter and lead. Acid rain ማን እንዲዘሩ የሚያደርጉት sulfur dioxide እና nitrogen oxide ናቸው። በአትሞስፌር ላይ ዲዞልቭ ሲያደርጉ በዋናነት ሳልፈሪክ እንደዚሁም nitric acid ያንን በአጠቃላይ እንደ አሲድ ሬን ሆኖ የሚዘንቡ የምንላቸው እነሱ ዲዞልቭ ሲሆኑ በአትሞስፌር ሞይስቸር ላይ ዲዞልቭ ሲሆኑ የሚፈጥሩት ሳልፈሪክ እና nitric acid ያ በዝናብ መልክ ሲሆን ፓርቲክል አሲድ ሬን የምንለው። 34. Significant environmental consequence of global warming in the accelerated melting of glaciers and polar ice caps. What direct global effect does this melting primarily contribute to? A. Decreased atmospheric pressure globally. B. Rising sea level and increased coastal flooding. C. Enhanced biodiversity in polar regions due to new habitats. D. A decrease in the frequency of extreme weather events. የትኛው ነው መልስ ሊሆን የሚችለው? It's actually rising sea level and increase coastal flooding. መልሳችን B ይሆናል። 35. Why are endemic species particularly susceptible to extinction when their restricted habitat faces threats like deforestation or pollution? A. They tend to have very high genetic diversity, which is easily lost. B. They are highly adaptable and can quickly migrate to new regions. C. They typically have very large and widespread population. D. Their entire global population is confined to a single limited geographic region. እዚህ ጋር የተጠየቅነው ኤንዴሚክ ስፒሺስ ነው። እሱን መርሳት የለባችሁ። ኤንዴሚክ ስፒሺስ የሆነ ፓርቲኩላርሊ ጂኦግራፊ የሚገኙ ሲሆኑ ምንድነው የሚፈጠረው? their entire global population confined to a single limited geographic area ይሆናል። ምክንያቱም እነዚህ ኤንዴሚክ ስፒሺስ ሌላ ቦታ ቢገኙም የሆነ ጂኦግራፊካል አካባቢ ብቻ ስለሚገኙ በአጠቃላይ ሁሉንም በሆነ ሊሚትድ ጂኦግራፊ ኤሪያ ያለው ግሎባል ፖፑሌሽን ነው። ታንሳሽን ዲ ሆነ። 36. Exposure to elevated level of air pollutants like particulate matter and ground level ozone, often observed as urban smoke, can cause which significant health issue in humans? A. Improved cardiovascular function and lung capacity. B. Enhanced cognitive ability and focus. C. Severe respiratory problems such as asthma, bronchitis, and reduced lung function. D. Increased bone density and reduced risk of allergies. ፖሊታንትስ ምንድነው መልሳችን የሚሆነው? Severe respiratory problems such as asthma, bronchitis and reduced lung functions. በተለይ ብክለቶች ፖሊታንቶች በተለይ የሪስፓራቶሪ ሲስተሙን በአጠቃላይ ሊጎዱ ይችላል። መልሳችን ሲ ይሆናል። 37. What is the primary damaging effect of acid rain on freshwater lakes and rivers, leading to severe ecological consequences? A. It causes a significant increase in fish populations. B. It neutralizes the water's pH, making it more hospitable. C. It generally leads to an increase in aquatic biodiversity. D. It lowers the pH, making the water too acidic for many aquatic organisms to survive or reproduce. What is the primary damaging effect of acid rain on freshwater lakes? Freshwater lakes and rivers leads to severe ecological consequences. የትኛው ለመልሳችን የሚሆነው? Answer should be it lowers the pH, making water too acidic for many aquatic organisms to survive or reproduce. እንዲያደርጉ አሲድ ሬን በጣም አደገኛ እዛ በአጠቃላይ ያም እንትናቸውን ሀቢታታቸውን በተለይ አኳቲክ ኦርጋኒዝም እዛ ሰርቫይቭ እንዲያደርጉ ለማድረግ በጣም አስቸጋሪ ይሆናል። ያም ሂደት በአጠቃላይ በዛ ውስጥ የሚኖሩ አሳዎች እንትኖች አምፊቢያኖችም ምናምን ብዙ ይኖራሉ። ያንዱ ደግሞ አንዱ እንትኑ ለሰርቫይቫል አንደኛው ስፔሻል አንደኛው በጣም አስቸጋሪ ሲሆን በአጠቃላይ እዛ አካባቢ ያለውን ስርዓትን ምንድነው ፉድ ዌቡን ምክንያቱም አንዱን ኮንሱም እያደረገ እየተመገበ እንትን ስለሚችል ያንዱ ደግሞ ሰርቫይቫል ማድረግ ሌላውንም ይጎዳል። በዛ መልኩ ሊጎዱ ይችላሉ ነው። Beyond simply rising average temperature, global warming is also projected to increase the frequency and the intensity of which type of environmental phenomena worldwide. A. Periods of mild, stable weather pattern and a decreased rainfall. B. Extreme weather events such as more intense heat waves, severe droughts, and powerful storms. C. Reduced volcanic activity and earthquake frequency. D. Global expansion of glacier and ice sheet coverage. Answer should be B. 39. What is the major anthropogenic source of nitrogen oxide emission into the atmosphere, which contributes significantly to both urban smoke and acid rain? A. Large-scale animal agriculture. B. Volcanic eruption in the natural forest fires. C. Industrial process and the combustion of fossil fuels, fossil fuels in vehicles, D. Biological decomposition in wetlands. የትኛው ነው መልሳችን የሚሆነው? Answer should be C. Industrial process and the combustion of fossil fuels in vehicles similar. 40. Conservation efforts often prioritize biodiversity hotspots, which are regions with a high concentration of endemic species. What is the main ecological rationale for this conservation focus? A. Endemic species are typically less threatened than other species. B. They are generally either to manage and breed in captive environments. C. Their loss would have minimal impact on global biodiversity. D. Their extinction represents an irreplaceable global loss as they exist nowhere else on the earth. በተለይ አሁን እዚህ ጋር ጥያቄያችን ማለት ከኤንደሚክ ስፔሺስ ጋር የተጠየቀን መልሳችን ሊሆን የሚችል their extinction represents እና irreplaceable extinction የነሱ መመለስ አይቻልም ያለ ምክንያቱም እዚህ ጋር ገልጾ they exist nowhere else on the earth ከዛች ጂኦግራፊክ አካባቢ ውጪ ስለማይገኙ መልሳችን ይሆን 41. The melting of Arctic permafrost due to global warming releases large quantities of methane, a powerful greenhouse gas, into the atmosphere. This release, in turn, exacerbates warming, leading to further permafrost melt. What is this escalating phenomena an example of? A. Positive feedback loop. B. Negative feedback loop. C. Carbon sequestration. D. Ocean acidification. Answer should be A. More warming, melting, methane release together a positive feedback loop. ያንን እንገልጻለን 42. How does acid rain negatively affect forest and other vegetation in terrestrial ecosystems? A. By acting as a fertilizer, significantly promoting tree growth. B. By directly increasing soil pH, making it more suitable for plant uptake. C. By damaging tree leaves and acidifying the soil and retaining essential nutrients, thereby working and sometimes killing trees. D. By significantly reduce the presence of harmful insect pests. የኛው መልሳችን should be C. ትክክለኛ መልስ ይሆናል 43. While ground level ozone is harmful pollutant, ozone in the stratosphere form the ozone layer. What is the primary function of the stratospheric ozone layer, vital for sustaining life on Earth? A. It helps regulate global atmospheric temperature. B is effectively block the majority of harmful ultraviolet radiation from reaching their surface. C. It repels significant amount of greenhouse gases, preventing global warming. ያላካተትኩም ነው። ኦኬ እሺ መልስ የሚሆነን ካለ ካልሆነ መልሳችን is effectively block the majority of harmful ultraviolet radiation from the reaching earth surface የሚለው ትክክለኛ መልሳችን B 44 the absorption of excess atmospheric carbon dioxide by the world's ocean leads to a measurable decrease in ocean pH. What is this environmental process called? A. Ocean eutrophication. B. Ocean deoxygenation. C. Ocean acidification. D. Ocean stratification. Leads to what is this ocean leads to measurable decrease in ocean pH. የሚያስከትለው ocean acidification. 45 endemic species are often particularly sensitive to environmental changes. What characteristics typically contribute to this heightened sensitive vulnerability? A. They can generally thrive in very wide range of climates and conditions. B. They possess extremely generalized feeding habits and resource requirements. C. They usually have very large and geographical dispersed populations. D. They often pose highly specialized habitat requirement or narrow ecological needs. በጣም ተጋላጭ መሆናቸው ኢንቫይሮንመንታል ቼንጆች በተለይም ኤንደሚክ ስፔሺስ ጋር should be መልሳችን ሊሆን የሚችለው they often pose highly specialized habitat requirement or narrow ecological needs. ይሄ ፊቸራቸውን በዋነኛነት ተጋላጭ ያደርጋቸዋል። For 6, in the carbon cycle, what is the primary form of carbon found in atmosphere that directly utilized by plants during photosynthesis? A. Glucose. B. Methane. C. Carbon monoxide. D. Carbon dioxide. The answer should be simple. Carbon dioxide. For 7, what is the scientific study of interaction between living organisms and their environment, encompassing both biotic, which is living, and abiotic, non-living components? A. Physiology. B. Genetics. C. Ecology. D. Taxonomy. The interaction of living organism branch of biology ነው እና ኢኮሎጂ branch of biology ነው። ኦርጋኒዝም እንዴት ኢንተራክት እንደሚያደርጉ ከሳራ እንደሚያቸው በአጠቃላይ ከስነ ምህዳሩ ከኮምፕሌክስ ሲስተሙ ጋር እንዴት ኢንተራክት እንደሚያደርጉ ያጠናል። In which crucial process in nitrogen cycle converts atmospheric nitrogen gas into ammonia in industry or ammonium, making it available for absorption by plants. A. Nitrogen fixation. B. denitrification. C. nitrification. D. ammonification. Which crucial process? Then nitrogen tank converts atmospheric nitrogen gas into ammonia or ammonium, making it available for absorption by plants. የትኛው ፕሮሰስ ነው? የትኛው 48ኛ ኮሜንት ጥያቄያችሁ ነች። ቀላል ጥያቄ ነች። እስካሁን 8ኛ 15ኛ 31ኛ እና አሁን ደግሞ 48ኛ የናንተ ጥያቄ ናቸው። አንድ ጥያቄ ጨምረን 5 ጥያቄዎችን ኮሜንት ላይ መልሳችሁን እንጠብቃለን። 49 In an ecosystem which tropical level comprises organisms that produce their own food, usually through photosynthesis, forming a base of all food webs. A. Consumers. B. Producers. C. Decomposers. D. Distributors. Produce their own food, but we producers. Which ecological process removes carbon dioxide from atmosphere and incorporates it into organic compounds, thereby initiating the flow of energy through most ecosystems? A. Photosynthesis. B. Respiration. C. Combustion. D. Decomposition. የትኛው ፕሮሰስ ነው ካርቦን ዳይኦክሳይድን ያስወግዳል ከአትሞስፌር incorporates it into organic compounds, thereby initiating flow of energy from the most ecosystem? የትኛው ፕሮሰስ ነው? answer should be photosynthesis. ካርቦን ዳይኦክሳይድን ካፕቸር ያደርጋል፣ ያንን ወደ ግሉኮስ ይቀይራል። ግሉኮስ እና ወደ ሌሎች ኦርጋኒክ ሞለኪውሎች የሚቀይርልን ለአጠቃላይ እዚህ ጋር thereby initiating a flow of energy from most ecosystem ያለው በአጠቃላይ መሰረቱ ለሁሉም ለፉድ ቼን መሰረቱ ከፎቶሲንተሲስ የሚጀምር answer should be A. What term describes a functional unit consisting of a community of living organisms interacting with their non-living physical and chemical environment? Example: sunlight, soil, water. A. Population. B. Habitat. C. Ecosystem. D. Biosphere. What term describes functional consisting of community of living organisms interacting with their non-living physical and chemical environment such as sunlight, soil, water? Answer should be ecosystem. እነዚህ ሁሉ ባዮቲክም እንደዚህ ባዮቲክስ እና ኮሚኒቲውን እንደዚህ ደግሞ ባዮቲክስ እና ኢንቫይሮንመንት ላይ ያለው በሆነ ጊቨን ወይም ዲፋይን በሆነ ኤሪያ ላይ ያለውን ኢንተራክሽን ኢኮሲስተም ኦር ስነ ምህዳር። ይሄ አይነት ዲፊኒሽን ብዙ ጊዜ የባዮስፌር ኦር የኢኮሲስተም ሃቢታት እነዚህ ዲፊኒሽናቸውን በደንብ ወቁት፣ ዳይሬክትሊ ትጠይቃላችሁ። 52 Which process in the nitrogen cycle specifically returns nitrogen gas to the atmosphere from nitrate in the soil, primarily through the action of anaerobic bacteria? A. Nitrogen fixation. B. Nitrification. C. Assimilation. D. Nitrification. An aerobic process that converts nitrate in the soil. Answer should be ደግሞ ምንድነው በደንብ የሚገዛ ፕሮሰስ ዳይኒትሪፊኬሽን ነው። አናኤሮቢካል ባክቴሪያል ፕሮሰስ ነው። ናይትሬትን ወደ ጋሲየስ ናይትሮጅን ይቀየራል ነው። 53. In a food chain where grass is eaten by rabbit and the rabbit is eaten by a fox, the fox occupies which trophic level? A. Primary consumer, B. Secondary consumer, C. Producer, D. Tertiary consumer. Answer should be the secondary consumer ነው የሚሆነው። በፉድ ቼን ላይ ግራሶች ፕሮዲሰር ናቸው። ስለዚህ እነሱን የሚመገቡ ራቢቶች ደግሞ ፕራይመሪ ኮንሱመር ወይም ሄርቢቨርስ ፕሮዲሰሮች የሚመገቡት ሄርቢቨርሶች ናቸው። ፎክስ ደግሞ እነሱን ራቢቶችን ስለሚመገብ ምንድን ይሆናል? ሰከንደሪ ኮንሱመር። እነዚህን እንትኖች በደንብ በኤግዛምፕሎች ለማወቅ ሞክሩ። 54. What ecological term refers specifically to a group of individuals of the same species living in the same geographical area at the same time and the potential interbreeding? A. Community, B. Population, C. Ecosystem, D. Biosphere. የትኛውን መልሳችን? እችኛውንም የኮሜንት መልሳችሁ ምናምን ቀላል ጥያቄ ነች። 54ኛም ኮሜንት ላይ እንትመልሱ 5 ጥያቄ ሞልተናል። እነዚህን 8ኛ 15ኛ 31ኛ ቅድመ የናት ቲንክ 40 ስንተኛ ነበር እና ይሄን 54ኛ ጥያቄ ኮሜንት ላይ መልሳችሁን ትጽፋላችሁ። 55. What human activity is a major contributor to the increase of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, playing a significant role in observed climate change? A. Photosynthesis by agricultural crops, B. Respiration of global human population, C. Volcanic eruption releasing gases, D. Burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, natural gas for energy. ትንሽ ለመፍተን ሞክራለሁ። አሁን ቪዲዮ እንዳይረዝምብን የትኛው ነው መልሳችን? ለዚህ ዲ 56. Which process in the nitrogen cycle involves specialized bacteria converting ammonia within NH3 or ammonium into nitrate into nitrates, a form highly usable by plants? So a process, A. Nitrification, B. Denitrification, C. Nitrogen fixation, D. Assimilation. The answer should be A. Nitrification ምንድነው? 2 step bacterial process ነው። መጀመሪያ ላይ አሞኒያን ወደ ናይትሬት ኦክሲዳይዝ ያደርጋል። ከዛ በኋላ ናይትራይትን ወደ ናይትሬት ያደርጋል። ያ ደግሞ ለእጽዋት እንትን ዩዘብል ወይም አብዞርባብል እንዲሆን ያስችለዋል። answer should be nitrification. 7. What is the essential role of decomposers such as bacteria, fungi in the cycling of matter through an ecosystem? A. They produce new organic compounds from sunlight. B. They consume living producers to obtain energy. C. They break down dead organic matter and waste products, returning vital nutrients to the soil and the atmosphere. D. They convert atmospheric oxygen into a usable form for respiration. የትኛው ነው መልሳችን የሚሆነው? essential role of decomposers ይሄ ትልቅ ኢኮሲስተም በተለይ ሚዛን የስነ ምህዳር ሚዛን ከማስጠበቅ አንጻር ሪሳይክሊንግ የዲኮምፖዘሮች የሚሰሩት ያላቸው ሚና ከፍተኛ ነው የስነ ምህዳር ሚዛን ከማስጠበቅ አንጻር። 58 why is the transfer of energy from one tropic level to the next in a food chain typically inefficient with only about 10% of the energy being transferred? Why? Reason: A. Most energy is intentionally stored for future use by the organisms. B. A large portion of energy is lost as heat during metabolic process or in not consumed, digested, or assimilated. C. Producers capture less than 1% of the total sunlight available. D. Consumers actively expel excessive energy back into the environment. የትኛው ነው መልስ የሚሆነው? Answer should be B. 59 which group of microorganisms plays a crucial role in the nitrogen cycle, both converting atmospheric nitrogen into usable form and returning nitrogen gas to atmosphere? Which group of microorganisms? A. Fungi. B. Algae. C. Bacteria. D. Protozoa. ትኞቹ ናቸው? ኦብቪየስሊ ባክቴሪያዎች ናቸው። የተለያዩ አይነት ባክቴሪያዎች በእርግጥ አሉ፣ ግን ባክቴሪያዎች ናቸው። ግሩፕ ኦፍ ማይክሮ ኦርጋኒዝም የባክቴሪያ ግሩፖች ናቸው። በናይትሮጂን ፊክሴሽን ጊዜም ናይትሮጂን ወደ አሞኒያ ናይትሮጂን ፊክሴሽን ጊዜ ዲናይትሪፊኬሽን ጊዜም በዋናነት ባክቴሪያዎች ናቸው። 60 Both plants and animals release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, so which is essential metabolic process? A. Respiration. B. Photosynthesis. C. Combustion. D. Decomposition. Both plants and animals release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, so which is essential metabolic process? Answer should be በሪስፓይሬሽን እዚጋ ማብራራት ሪስፓይሬሽን ማለትም ሊቪንግ ኦርጋኒዝሞች የተለያዩ ሞለኪውሎችን ግሉኮስ ሊሆን ይችላል ምናምን በሪስፓይሬሽን ፕሮሰስ እነሱን ብሬክዳውን ካደረጉ በኋላ ኢነርጂን ሪሊዝ ያደርጋሉ። እንደ ባይ ፕሮዳክት ደግሞ carbon dioxide release so process respiration carbon dioxide release የሚደረግበት 61 what is the primary natural force that drives the process of evaporation, a key component of water cycle? What is the primary natural force? A. Gravity. B. Wind. C. Earth's rotation. D. Solar energy or heat from the sun. Answer should be solar energy. በዋናነት ሊኩዊዶች አሁን እዚህ ጋር የተፈለገው ጥያቄ መልሳችን ዲ ነው። በተለይም ኢቫፖሬሽን ጋር የተያያዘ ነው። ኪ ኮምፖነንት ኦፍ ዋተር ሳይክል ሶላር ኤነርጂ ሶላር ኤነርጂ ሂቶች ሙቀት ምድር ላይ ያሉ ውሃዎችን እንደዚሁ ውቅያኖሶች ላይ ምናምን ያሉትን በትነት መልክ እንትን ይላሉ። ያ ደግሞ ሄዶ ወተር ቫፐር በትነት መልክ ወደ እንትን ሄዶ እንደገና በዝናብ መልክ ይመለሳል። ኪ ኮምፖነንት ኦፍ ዋተር ሳይክል ላይ እንዲሳተፍ የሚያደርገው ሶላር ዳይሬክት ጥያቄ አይደለም፣ ኢንዳይሬክት ነው። የትኛው ነው? ሶላር ኤነርጂ ግን ቀላል ጥያቄ። 62 in the process of primary ecological succession. Which type of organisms are typically the first to colonize and establish themselves in the barren, lifeless environment, like newly exposed volcanic rock? A. Climate species. B. Larger species. C. Pioneer species. Example: lichens, mosses. D. Apex predators. The answer should be pioneer species. Below message. Which of the following statements accurately describes a key distinguishing feature of the phosphorus cycle compared to the carbon and the nitrogen cycle? የትኛው feature በደንብ የሚለየው? A. It has a significant atmospheric gaseous phase. B. It is primarily driven by photosynthesis. D. C. It lacks a significant atmospheric gaseous phase. And it's mainly a sedimentary cycle. D. Its primary involves volcanic emission. Answer should be C. ይሆናል። ከካርበን እና ናይትሮጂን የሚለየው ፎስፈረስ doesn't exist a gaseous atmosphere ላይ ኤግዚስት አያደርግም። በተጨማሪም ፕራይመሪ ሴዲመንተሪ ነው። እንደ ድንጋይ፣ ሶይል፣ ወተር እነዚህ ያካትታል። answer should be C ማለት 64. What is the process by which water vapor is released into the atmosphere from the leaves of plants, contributing significant to water cycle? ከእጽዋት የሚወጣ A. Evaporation. B. Transpiration. C. Condensation. D. Precipitation. The evaporation of water from plant leaves, especially በስቶማታቸው አማካኝነት ማለት ነው። what we call transpiration. 65. In the final stage of ecological succession, what term describes the stable self-perpetuating community that develops and remains relatively unchanged until disturbed by major environmental events? A. Climax community. B. Pioneer stage. C. Intermediate stage. D. Disturbance phase. የትኛው ነው? ይችንም ለእንትን ብዬ ነበረ ግን 5 ጥያቄ ስለሞላ እና answer should be climax community. A. Stable ecological balance, maximum development የደረሰበት እንትን climax community ነው። 66. The combustion of fossil fuels releases sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere. This atmospheric pollutants is a major contributor to which specific environmental problem? A. Ozone layer depletion. B. Global warming. C. Acid rain. D. Eutrophication of aquatic body. እዚች ጋር sulfur dioxide fossil fuel release sulfur dioxide የሚለው the answer should be acid የሚለው ይሆን። Which process in the water cycle occur when water vapor in the atmosphere cools and changes back into liquid water, droplets or ice crystals, leading to cloud formation? ደመና እንዲፈጠር የሚያደርገው አጠቃላይ ፕሮሰሱ በዋተር ሳይክል ያለው ምንድን ነው የሚባለው? A. Evaporation. B. Precipitation. C. Transpiration. D. Condensation. The answer should be የትኛው ነው መልሳችን? ቢ ዲ ኮንደንሴሽን ይሆናል። ኮንደንሴሽን ወተር ቫፐር ወደ ሊኩዊድ የሚቀየረው ወደ አይስ አጠቃላይ ደመና የሚፈጠርበት ጭጋግ ምናምን የሚፈጠርበት ፕሮሰሱ በወተር ሳይክል what we call condensation. 68. What is the largest natural reservoir for phosphorus on the earth from which it is slowly released through weathering and erosion? ትልቁ ናቹራል ሪዘርቨር ለፎስፈረስ በምድር ላይ ኤ አትሞስፌር፣ ቢ ሮክ ኤንድ ሴዲመንትስ፣ ሲ ኦሽንስ፣ ዲ ሊቪንግ ኦርጋኒዝምስ። ማጆሪቲው የፎስፈረስ ስቶር የሚሆነው በየትኛው ነው? በኤርዝ ሰርፌስ ላይ ሮክስ እንደ ሴዲመንት ከቀስ በቀስ በጊዜ ሂደት ሪሊዝ የሚወጡት በዋናነት በአብዛኛው የፎስፈረስ ስቶር የሚሆኑት በድንጋዮች እና በሴዲመንቶች ናቸው። አንሸር 69. What type of ecological succession occur in an area where an existing community has been disturbed or removed? Example, by forest fire, logging, or flood. But the underlying soil or substrate remains intact. Which type of ecological succession? የትኛው ነው? A. Primary succession, B. Secondary succession, C. Climax succession, D. Binary succession. ህይወት ባለበት የሚጀምር ግን ዲስተርብድ በሆነ የሚጀምር የሰክሴሽን አይነት what we call secondary succession። ህይወት ባለበት ግን ያ እንትን ዲስተርብ በሆነበት ሁኔታ የሚጀምረው የሰክሴሽን አይነት secondary succession ነው የምንለው። Which group of organisms plays the most crucial role in converting various forms of sulfur, example sulfates, sulfides, hydrogen sulfide in the soil, the water, making them available to other organisms and cycling sulfur back to the atmosphere? የትኛው group of organisms ነው? A. Plants, B. Animals, C. Fungi, D. Bacteria. አልተሸንዱ የትኛው ነው? ባክቴሪያ ትልቅ አስተዋጽኦ ባክቴሪያ በኦክሲዴሽን ሪዳክሽን ፕሮሰስ የኦክሲዴሽን እና ሪዳክሽን የሪዶክስ በአጠቃላይ ፕሮሰስ ውስጥ በተለይ በሰልፈር ኮምፓውንድ ላይ ከፍተኛ አስተዋጽኦ ያደርጋሉ። በአጠቃላይ ይሄ ኢኮሲስተም ላይ የሪሳይክሊንግን ምናምን በትልቁ እንትን የሚለው ማይክሮኦርጋኒዝም ባክቴሪያዎች ናቸው። 71. After precipitation, what two processes describe the movement of water across the land surface and its percolation into the ground to replenish groundwater respectively? ከዝናብ በኋላ ያሉ ሁለት ዋና ፕሮሰሶች ይገለጻል። A. runoff and infiltration, B. evaporation and condensation, C. transpiration and precipitation, D. sublimation and deposition. የትኞቹ ናቸው? ረን ኦፍ በመሬት ላይ የሚሄድ የወተር ፍሎ ነው። ረን ኦፍ የምንለው ረን ኦፍ ፍሎዊንግ በሰርፈስ ላይ የውሃ ፍሎ ነው። ደግሞ ኢንፊልትሬሽን የምንለው ሲፒንግ ነው። በአፈር ላይ ያለው ወተር ሲፒንግ ደግሞ ወተር መልተጀር ሩኖፍ ኤንድ ኢንፍሌሽን ከዝናብ በኋላ ዋና የውሃ ዲስትሪቢዩሽን ላይ ናቸው። እየጨረስን ነው። ጥያቄዎች ሊቀሩ 72 as ecological succession progress from early pinor stages towards climax community. As general trend is typically observed in the ecosystem's characteristics. A decrease in species diversity and ecosystem complexity. B, a decrease in total biomass and productivity. C, increase in biodiversity, biomass, and overall ecosystem stability. D, a decrease in the efficiency of nutrient cycling. ከኢኮሎጂካል ሳክሽን ፕሮግረስ በሚያደርግ ጊዜ ከፒነር ስቴጅ ወደ ክላይማክስ ኮሚኒቲ በሚያድግ ጊዜ ምን አይነት ትሬንድ ነው የሚኖረው ነው? ጀነራል ትሬንዱ ምን ይመስላል ነው? በኢኮሲስተም በስነ ምህዳር ውስጥ ወይ ስርዓተ ምህዳር ውስጥ ያለው አጠቃላይ ጀነራል ትሬንዱ ባህሪው ምን ይሆናል? ኦብቪየስሊ ሰክሴሽን ምን ይፈጥራል? ሞር ኮምፕሌክስ የሆነ ክላይማክስ እንትን በሚሄድ ጊዜ ወደ ክላይማክስ ኮሚኒቲ በሚሄድ ጊዜ የፉድ ዌቡ በጣም ኮምፕሌክስ እየሆነ ሞር ኮምፕሌክስ እየሆነ ይሄዳል። ስፔሺዎች ደግሞ በጣም ባዮዳይቨርሲቲ እየጨመረ ስፔሺዎችነት ይመጣል። ስታቢሊቲው ሞር ስታብል እና በአጠቃላይ መጨረሻ ላይ ክላይማክስ ኮሚኒቲ ላይ ተለቅ ያለ ሪዚለንት የሆነ ኢኮሲስተም ትልቅ ኢኮሲስተም የሚፈጠር ሰው ያንን በደንብ የሚገልጽልን ታሻሽል increasing biodiversity, biomass, and overall ecosystem stability. C ይሆናል። Three, the excessive use of phosphorus containing fertilizer in agriculture practice can lead to a significant environmental problem in nearby aquatic ecosystem, causing dense plant and algal growth. A, acid rain. B, eutrophication, which is leading to global algal blooms and oxygen depletion. C, desertification. D, ozone layer depletion. The excessive use of phosphorus containing fertilizer by agricultural practice like environmental problem. The answer should be eutrophication, as well as እንደ ኒውትረንት በሚያገለግል ጊዜ አልጋዎች በከፍተኛ ሁኔታ እንዲያድጉ ያደርጋል። ኦክሲጅንም ዲፕሌት እንዲመናመን ያደርጋል። እነሱ ዲኮምፖዝ በሚያደርግ ሰው አጠቃላይ የውሃ ላይ ያለው አኩቲክ ላይፍም በከፍተኛ ሁኔታ ይጎዳል። 74 sulfur is an indispensable element for all living organisms because it's a key structural component of which vital biological macromolecule. A, carbohydrates. B, lipids. C, proteins, especially certain amino acids and some vitamins. D, nucleic acids, which are DNA and RNA. የሳልፈር ሚናው በሁሉም የሊቪንግ ኦርጋኒዝምስ በጣም ይሄ ነው ብለን የምንገልጸው አይደለም። የትኛው ኪ ስትራክቸራል ኮምፖነንት ነው በዋነኛነት ባዮሎጂካል ማክሮሞለኪል የሚያገለግለን? አብዛኛው ዲመንሳችን የሚሆነው ሳልፈር በቲፒካሊ በተለምዶ አሚኖ አሲድ ውስጥ ይገኛል። በተለይም በነ ሲስታይን እነ ሜቶኒን ምናምን አሚኖ አሲዶች ውስጥ ኮመንሊ ሳልፈር እናገኛለን። ዳንሰር ሺል ቢ ፕሮቲንስ ኤንድ ምንድነው የሚለው ኢምፖርታንት ሰም ኢምፖርታንት ቫይታሚኖችን ውስጥም እናገኘዋለን። በተለይም በፕሮቲን ደግሞ እንደ አሚኖ አሲዶች ውስጥ ያ ደግሞ ለፕሮቲን ለሰውነታችን ስትራክቸር ፈንክሽን ከፍተኛ አገልግሎት አለው። ሰውነታችን ሲ የሚሆነው 75 የመጨረሻው ጥያቄ ይመስለኛል። What is the fundamental difference in the initial conditions between primary and secondary ecological succession? ምንድነው መሰረታዊ የፕራይመሪ እና secondary ecological succession ውስጥ ያለው difference? A, primary succession begins on bare ground or newly formed land with no existing soil, while secondary succession occurs on disturbed land where soil is already present. B, primary succession only occurs in aquatic environments as well. Secondary succession is terrestrial. C. Primary succession involves only plants as well. Secondary succession involves animals. D. Primary succession otherwise leads to a forest climax. Well, secondary succession leads to grassland. የትኛው ነው መልሳችን? እዚጋ ምንም ማብራሪያ ያስፈልገውም the fundamental difference in initial condition between primary and secondary ecological succession ይህ በደንብ ገልጾታል። ምንም እዚጋ የሚጨመር ይህ በደንብ ኤክስፕሌን አድርጎታል። ያ መሰረታዊ ልዩነታቸውን በፕራይመሪ እና ሰከንደሪ ሰክሴሽን መሃል ተማሪዎች በአጠቃላይ ከዩኒቲ ያዘጋጀንላችሁ ጥያቄዎች ይህን ይመስሉ ነበር። ሁሉንም ፓርት በቻልነው መጠን ለመንካት ሞክረናል። ኮምፕሬሄንሲቭ ጀስት ለሪሜዲያል ኤግዛማችሁ እንዲያግዛችሁ ለናሽናል ኤግዛማችሁ እና ሁሉንም ፓርት ቶፒኮች ለመነካካት ሞክረናል በቻልነው መጠን። እናንተም ቀናት ባላችሁ ጥቂት ጊዜ ራሳችሁን ሁሉም ነገር ሳይኮሎጂካሊ በሙሉ ነገር ራሳችሁን እያዘጋጃችሁ ቴሌግራም ላይ ያሉ አፕዴቶችን ተከታተሉ። ጥያቄ አስተያየታችሁን ኮሜንት ላይ ጻፉልን። ቅድም ያልኳችሁን ጥያቄዎችን 5 ጥያቄዎችን ኮሜንት ላይ መልሳችሁን እጠብቃለሁ። ኔክስት እንገናኛለን።